Okay, now see here the numerical based on your Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. Here the magnetic flux through a coil perpendicular to its plane is varying according to the relation phi is equal to 5 t square plus 10 t plus 5 milliweber. Calculate the induced EMF in the loop at t is equal to 5 seconds. You know we have done Faraday's laws, that is EMF is equal to minus d phi upon dt. This is the induced EMF E here, its magnitude will be here, that is d phi upon dt, that means d upon dt, and here this is 5 t square plus 10 t plus 5. Differentiate it, we will be getting E is equal to 10 t plus 10. Now, put the value of t is equal to 5 seconds, but that is here you will be getting millivolt, that is your millivolt. So, we can write here 10 into 5 plus 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3 volt, and that will be here 0.06 volt. So, this is the induced EMF. So, basically this question based on the Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction.